Mm. Eating some lunch with my bird. He's having a couple pretzels. He likes pretzels. I got my buffalo chicken strips and some chips. Home from school today because I don't really feel good. And my bird's keeping me company. He likes pretzels a lot. My bird is probably about 5 or 6 months old. I got him when he was only 2 or 3 months old. His name's Drake. I think he's a cinnamon cockatiel. I forgot what the guy told me. Tail feathers aren't the best because he breaks them at night when he gets scared. He's just chilling, listening to my dog bark a little bit. And some more pretzels, bud. Say hi, Drake. Such a pretty bird. Back to the pretzels. Let me show you my other bird I have. I don't really like him though, because he's a big jerk. No, it's okay. This is Merlin. He's a cockatoo, and he doesn't like me at all. He's like 6 years old. He's a jerk though. Not to my mom or my brother, but just me. I don't know why. But he might start screaming, so I'm gonna cover him back up. Oh, whoop. The bird's trying to sneak in a couple chips at my plate. Now he's running away. That's what I thought. You doing, Drake, huh? I'm pretty much full. He's not though, but I'm gonna end the video because it's pretty long already. Alright. This has been Justin with birds. Goodbye.